So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. Today's video, as you already seen by the title, is going to be a hair video. Now today's video is actually sponsored by Ashimary Hair. I don't know if it's Ashimary or Ashimary Hair, but either way, like, everything is going to be linked in the description box below, so you can definitely go and check them out. But yeah, they're sponsoring today's video and they sent me this wig that I already have on, but you're going to watch me install it. But I just wanted to, like, you know, talk about the hair a little bit, just for like a few seconds, to be honest, because there's not really a lot to talk about the hair. But anyway, yeah, they sent me this wig, and this is the I think 360 lace frontal deep wave hair, and I have it in the length 22. It's really beautiful, you guys. Like, you're going to see when I install it that this hair is really beautiful. This is how the hair came. Nothing special, it just came in this bag, and they included a headband, which I use in the video and I absolutely am in love with, because you guys know that I'm usually ratchet when it comes to doing my makeup and doing my hair. Like, I just put the tools, like, I mix the tools up. I don't use the appropriate tools. I'm always a mess whenever I'm doing my hair, so this definitely is amazing. As per usual, they also gifted like lashes, an extra, I think it's an extra scarf too for your edges, wig cap, and also like an edge brush. I think that's what's in here, and also a razor. That's basically it. Wait, that's all. And a tweezer, which is nice. But anyway, without talking too much, without boring you guys, let's just get into the installation part. I'm not going to be talking through it because I feel like that's not necessary. You guys know how I lay my hair, but it would be nice to just watch me do it again. So I'm going to list everything in the description box below.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be something that you w you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high
So I'm pretty much done. This is how everything turned out. The hair is a little bit wet, like it's not dry, so I feel like when it's completely dry, it's going to be, you know, a little bit bigger than what it is right now, but this is what we're working with. It's really pretty. I love the curls. I'm going to leave the link and every detail about the hair and the company in description box below. Follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already. Subscribe to the channel. Honestly, I feel like I haven't said this in a while, but subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.